Afternoon, everybody. My name is Henry Cortez. I created this website personally. I worked on my own. So I'm just gonna teach you how to navigate this website and to learn all the different topics that we had to learn. First, to start off, this is my welcome page. This is where you will see some of the topics at the top, especially here: puberty, STDs, contraceptives, sexuality, sexual behavior, implications of sex, and then this is more about me and the works cited page that we had to provide. So, puberty, I talked about the different changes during this time, the boys phase, like the acne, boys changes, and body order, girls. This is where I talked about excuse me, growing pubic hair, uh, breast develops and stuff like that. This is all where the puberty information is. This is my STD. What are sexual transmitted disease, STDs? What can you do to protect yourself as a young person? Um, if you get an STD, how will you know? Where can you get tested? It's just the big question is that some people ask themselves, and especially as a young man, um, you have to know where to like get help or treatment. So those are type of questions that I added on so that young men could be helped. Contraceptions. This is our some I put some barrier methods to protect. Males protect with condoms. There's female condoms. There's also hormonal treatments, which are implants. The pill, which is very famous, I've heard. Hormonal vaginal contraception ring. And then this is my sexuality page, which is your sexuality can't be confusing for some young man, but during that time is where kind of you find who you are, and I put a list here so that you can have so the young man can have an idea of different types of sexuality, and then I put a little description in each one of them so that they can have an idea of what they identify themselves as you can see right there, and then sexual behavior. I chose compulsive sexual behavior because this is very common among young men, mainly because of the level of immaturity that they have. Sometimes it could be very difficult to diagnose, but I would highly suggest that if you're that if you're facing this, you should visit medical help. I also provided information with implications of sex. Um, excuse me. And then I also this is about me. This is who created this website. I did this loan again. Uh, my name is Henry Cortez, and this is my work site.